Alright, so another cool Google Chrome app or extension is Cortex, and I found that about that in the Read Write web article as well. And what's neat about this is once you download it, you can kind of see here the way it works is you can quickly send an article or a web page that you're reading to Facebook, Twitter, looks like Tumblr and Instapaper. So let me show you how that works. First you install it into Chrome, and then when it's installed in Chrome, let me go to a web page. So I'm at a web page right here, and let's say I'm reading this and I realize that it's obviously a brilliant post, and then the other thing I realize is this is something I want to send to somebody. So if I want to send it to somebody, I can hold my mouse button down and you can see I have the option of sending to Twitter or to Facebook. Now what's really cool, or Tumblr and Instapaper. So what's cool about this is I'm just going to go ahead and roll it over to Twitter real fast and let go of the mouse button, and it sent the tweet. So if I come back to my tweet stream here, let me refresh the page, and now you can see that the tweet is there. So it sent it off and you can kind of see what it looks like, and then because I have Embedly, I can actually now preview that, and so that worked kind of cool, and that's one of the other screeners that I just did. So it's a nice way to preview the article with Embedly, but as you can see, sending that with Cortex was really fast. Let me go back to that. So that's if you just click and then drag over and let go, it'll do that. If you want to add some content, you can click and hold it, and then that'll pull up the box, and then you can type in some text here, and then you can send it off. And you have the same option with Facebook. If you click and drag and let go over the Facebook, it'll just send it off. You don't have to do anything. If you want to hold it over it, you'll get a status bar, and then you can add your content. Pretty cool and pretty fast. I really like the way that works because I don't have to do anything to send it off to Twitter or Facebook.